I will be showing you Splash Math. It is a free online math learning for K through 5. So when you open it up, you can see kindergarten through 5. Each grade level has different number of skills set up for that student. So like under addition for grade 1, you can see all the different things you can assign for students. And then if we sign in, I'm going to use my master teachers. If the class were to sign in, you would guide them through the class login portal. My master teacher said I could show you the back end. So this is what it opens up to. It gives you a brief overview of her 4th graders, how many problems they've answered, their accuracy, the time they've spent total on this. And then these are all the different things you can assign. So as you see here, she's assigned all 3 number sense to the class, and then you can preview it just to make sure it's something you want your students to be doing in case the questions aren't formatted in a way you've taught them. And then it gives you a sample for the first 2 on how to do it. So and hit done.
Fabulous!
And then the students love the games because each games change a little bit between them, and then they earn these coins, and then they can exchange the coins to get different clothes and change their character that they've been assigned. And then back at the top you can see all the class assignments she's already assigned to them. So she's assigned the 5 assignments, and then you can check the student performance individually, and you can see Brianna has changed her character to a blue hippo wearing a sombrero. They all start with this pink hippo, and they can change it to a hat, a bow, as they earn their coins, and it gives individual detailed report for the student. And you can check the overall class performance. On each section. So it tells you at the top which ones have not started, they've just started, who needs improvement, who's satisfactory, and who's mastered. So at a glance the teacher can check, oh, maybe we need a little more reteaching on rounding, which is just a nice quick way. And then you go back to the curriculum, and then she can go back to and find her number sense and place value and rounding and assign more practice. First she'd want to preview it. And complete the following statement, and this is not something they've seen before, so she probably wouldn't assign this to the student. Maybe the read and write numbers. Oh, as you see, she's already assigned it to the 31 students. And if we preview that, and again, all these games are free, and if you did want to sign up for the premium, the students would be able to do it at home. However, their parents can sign up for free at home as well. Yeah, see, and this is something that the students have done. This has 4.
Well done! You're awesome!
And the kids like the little hippo that talks to them. So that's just an overview of Splash Math and some of the games and how it's great for teachers, because at a quick glance on the back end, the teachers can see what they need to do for a little more extra practice or not. And again, it is free, and math is something that students always like the more hands-on game approach because it makes it fun and easy for them to learn.